Hi, I'm Rajesh, a senior sales executive with Greaves Cotton. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I've spent the last few years working with businesses like yours, helping them find reliable power solutions that improve operations and reduce costs. I'm excited to discuss how we might do the same for you. To give you a quick overview, Greaves Cotton is one of the most trusted names in industrial gensets. We've been providing reliable power solutions for over 160 years, focusing on efficiency, long-term reliability, and sustainability. Our gensets are known for their fuel efficiency, compliance with CPCB IV Plus norms, and seamless scalability for growing operations. Before we dive in, I noticed on LinkedIn that you recently attended the specific industry event. That's a great conference. How did you find the sessions on relevant topic?
Oh, it was really informative. We gained a lot of insights into specific aspect, which is quite relevant for our ongoing projects.
That's great. Last time we spoke, you mentioned that you're looking to enhance your operational efficiency. To ensure I can offer the best possible solutions, may I ask a few detailed questions about your current setup and needs?
Sure, that sounds good.
Great, thank you. Just to start off, what kind of solution are you currently exploring to address these efficiency issues?
Mainly, we're looking at improving our processing speed and reducing the maintenance demands of our system.
I see. Those are critical areas. How are the current processing speed and maintenance requirements affecting your operations right now?
It's causing significant delays in our output and disrupts our workflow considerably, which impacts our delivery schedules.
That sounds quite challenging. Besides speeding up processing and reducing maintenance, are there other specific features or capabilities you're prioritizing? For example, how important are reliability, ease of use, and lowering maintenance costs for you?
Well, reliability is crucial for us, and we definitely need something easier to use. If we could also lower the maintenance costs, that would be a significant benefit.
Understood. Could you share how much you're currently spending on maintenance and how this is impacting your overall operational budget?
We're spending a significant amount each month, which really adds up and affects our bottom line.
I can see how that would be a burden. Reducing these costs could indeed improve your profitability directly. Looking ahead, as you plan to double your production capacity, what goals do you have for your system's scalability and reliability?
We need a system that can scale with our expansion and one that minimizes downtime, especially during critical production periods.
That makes perfect sense. Based on what you've just outlined, reliability, ease of use, scalability, and lower maintenance costs, what would the ideal solution look like for your team?
Ideally, it would be a robust, scalable system that integrates well with our existing software, requires minimal maintenance, and is user-friendly.
It sounds like reliability, cost control, and scalability are key for your future plans. Would you agree that those are the priorities?
Exactly, we need something that works long-term.
Let me tell you how our solution can meet your current and future demands, solve the existing problems, and align with your expansion goals. Number 1. How will our genset help offer reliability by reducing your downtime? With our solution, you can rely on 99.5% uptime, ensuring that your operations won't be disrupted by unexpected power outages. Our gensets come with automatic switchover systems, meaning that power seamlessly switches over when there's an outage. Plus, remote monitoring allows you to track performance and identify issues before they become critical, helping you avoid downtime. Number 2. How will our solution help you reduce fuel costs? Our gensets are engineered for 15% better fuel efficiency compared to many other options in the market. This means that you'll reduce your fuel expenses over time, especially if you're running backup power for extended periods. For companies like yours, this translates to significant savings. Number 3. How will our solution help you manage maintenance costs? Our gensets are designed for low maintenance, making them easy for your team to manage. The predictive maintenance technology allows you to monitor performance remotely, meaning fewer manual checks and less downtime for repairs. This keeps your maintenance costs low and reduces the need for a large technical staff. Number 4. How will this help you scale your operations in the future? Our gensets are fully scalable, meaning as your power needs grow, you can easily expand the system to meet demand. Whether you're adding new facilities or increasing capacity, you'll have the flexibility to grow without replacing the entire system. Plus, all of our gensets are CPCB IV Plus compliant, so you're future-proofed against any upcoming regulations. Lastly, why are we the right partner for you? Partnering with our company, you're not just buying a product. You're partnering with a company that has over 160 years of expertise in the industry. We've consistently delivered reliable power solutions to businesses like Larsen & Toubro, Tata Motors, and Indian Railways across various sectors. For example, Tata Motors has trusted Greaves Cotton for over 15 years, relying on our gensets to ensure uninterrupted power supply in their manufacturing plants. They've seen a 20% reduction in downtime, contributing directly to increased operational efficiency. Their satisfaction with our CPCB IV Plus compliant gensets has led to a long-standing relationship built on trust and reliability. Similarly, Indian Railways utilizes our gensets for critical infrastructure projects, where power consistency is crucial. They report a 98% satisfaction rate with product performance and have noted significant improvements in fuel efficiency and maintenance costs. Our gensets help them save approximately 15% in fuel costs annually, a testament to our technology's impact. We offer not only advanced technology, but also a dedicated after-sales support team that ensures you have help whenever needed. You'll benefit from working with a partner who understands your specific challenges and delivers solutions tailored to your goals, just as we've done for Larsen & Toubro over the past decade, where they have achieved seamless expansion with our scalable genset solutions.
It sounds good, but I feel our current system is good enough for now. Why change something that isn't broken?
I completely understand how you feel, and it's great that your current system is holding up. Some of our clients felt the same way, believing their existing setup was sufficient. However, they found that by adopting our more efficient gensets, they not only saved on fuel costs, but also reduced their overall maintenance expenses, which were initially unnoticed. For example, Tata Motors switched to our solutions and found they were able to decrease downtime by 20%, which significantly boosted their productivity. Here is Tata Motors' maintenance expenses comparison for your reference before our system was in place and how much they saved after using our genset. Please take a look. I'd love to explore a few areas where we might be able to offer similar benefits. Can we schedule a detailed analysis of your current system and see where improvements could be made?